सुलझाना, स्पष्ट करना, ठीक होना, साफ करना, साफ होना. We have a simple phrasal verb for them. Clear up. Today we'll talk about it. Hey, I'm Veena. I'm an English language coach at University of Life. मुझे almost एक decade हो गया है English सिखाते हुए and all my students have got the best results. सुलझाना. To solve a problem or a mystery. The police cleared up the mystery of the missing money. ठीक होना. To get better. You won't be able to go swimming if your cold hasn't cleared up. Saaf karna. To make a place neat by removing things that you have finished using or no longer want. I cleared up my room last weekend. Saaf hona. Used about the weather. Let's hope the weather clears up in time for the picnic tomorrow. Spasht karna. To remove any doubt or confusion. I want to clear up any confusion about the reasons for these changes. Let's practice clear up in these sentences. Antibiotics should be used to dash the infection. The sky dash after the storm. That's it. Put your answers below. I'll see you soon with another simple, interesting English lesson. Till the time, take care. Bye.